let's just practice my radians one more time. Let's go practice those radians of starting with 0 radians. And then what's a full revolution? 2 pi radians, right? Okay, let's cut that in half. What's half of a revolution? 1 pi. All right. Let's go count by 30 degrees or by sixths. So we're going to have 1/6 of a pi. What's after 1/6?
1/3.
2/6 is 1/3. Very good. And again, if you're writing these off to the side, that's fine. Hi. 1/6, 2/6. What's 3/6 going to simplify to be? Pi over 2. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. What's after that? 4/6 would simplify to be what? 2 over 3. I love it. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Then we got 5/6. What's 6/6 going to simplify to be? 1. 7/6. Love it. Simplify a little 8/6 for me. 4/3. 9/6. 9/6. 3/2, exactly. 3 pi over 2. 10/6. You got it. 5 pi over 3. 11/6. I love the ones that we don't have to simplify. And the fact that 12/6, 12 divided by 6 is 2, we're back at it. Then we got to go 45 degrees every quarter of a pi. So now I'm going to go 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. That would get me here. 2/4 is the same as a half. What about here? Yeah, 3/4. 3 pi over 4. My 4/4 cancel. What's over here? 5/4. 6/4 is the same as that 3/2. Last one, 7/4. So we no longer need radians. I'm sorry, degrees. We no longer need degrees. You're like, oh, that's music to my ears. So now they're going to ask questions like this, and I just want to practice this a smidge. What is the cosine at 4 pi over 3? So maybe some people need the points drawn in there. Maybe you don't. Maybe we just want to focus on that first quadrant because I think that we're good at applying that first quadrant to the others. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, divide everything by 2 and square root everything but my 1. Because I know y'all are sick of drawing this. I know it. And maybe instead of writing those coordinates in every single spot, we just draw our trend of what applies where. So I want you to put on the unit circle what works for you. Me as a student, I guarantee I'd fill out this entire thing every time because I'd mess it up. I'd mess it up. So what the heck do these questions mean now? When it says, what's the cosine at 4 pi over 3? You with me, Vise? The cosine at 4 pi over 3, where's 4/3 of a pi? What quadrant? Down there, agreed. 4/3 of a pi matches my green. And again, I'm personally a rewriter. That's -1/2, -√3 over 2. Cosine means the x or the y coordinate. So what's my answer? -1/2, you're done. You were wondering if you were doing it right, Beck?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What about the sine at 3/4 of a pi? Sine, exactly. It's going to be a -√2 over 2, +√2 over 2 is the coordinate. The sine, the y coordinate, Mr. Mateo, you just said √2 over 2? Agreed. The tangent at 11 pi over 2. This point over here is √3 over 2, -1/2. How do I find the tangent? Sine over cosine or y over x. Beautiful. If I've got -1/2 over √3 over 2. 2's cancel. Yeah, he's saying, oh, she's not going to let me have that root on the bottom. My final answer? Beautiful.